Yeah, stay tuned on this one. I'm getting a full bag job. I ain't posting it until it's fully done, so yeah. Front tubs, firewall tubs, front bags, rear bags on my lawn. Maybe a 4-link, 3-link, we're about to see. What's it called? I'm gonna try to get them to get like a badass air management. Get it done right, you know. But yeah, ¿cómo nos va? God damn. Got a new phone and don't know how to act. Still haven't done shit to it, but starting this one next week. And Fort Rammy. I'm gonna get it up in the air here in a little bit to see what suspension it needs. My boy Jesse's gonna take care of the frame. Cause something ain't right. Nah, I'm playing. But yeah. Everything's fucking clear now. It's crazy. Woo! The air management came in for Lil Blue. Just gotta wait on all the metal parts to get done. It's gonna be on AccuAir. I think this is a tank, if I'm not mistaken. Let's see. Get some fucking knife. Well, the whole front end is off. I'm about to start cutting all these brackets off and shit. It leaked some transmission oil since the truck is literally slanted back, but I'm gonna take off the bed and lift the back up and put it on jack stands so it'll be all perfectly level. Obviously, I'm gonna refill that fluid right there. And yeah, let's get to taking all this stuff off. Well, this definitely escalated quickly. I just gotta cut right here, chop that bracket off, chop this piece off, sand all this shit smooth. I may sand right here. Yeah, I'm gonna sand right here a little bit, make all this smooth, and get the other side ready so we can get going. I'm gonna go pick up the rest of the kit today, so I may be tacking the brackets and all that shit up tomorrow, so be ready. Stay tuned. Well, shit. Got all this shit cleaned up. I still gotta sand up here, but I'll move those brake lines out the way. I can sand all this shit down, but for the most part, we're ready to tack down a few brackets. But first, I'm gonna go clean up the other side and get it ready, as I should. Going by pretty smooth so far. But yeah, let's get it. Day 365. Test fitting the wheel. Well, making sure everything's lined up in the middle. And looks like it's right in the middle of me. Still has plenty of adjustment on everything. So I think we're good. Time to weld it up. Got that tuck and turn saw. Damn, almost fell. But bag, baby. If you ask me, we're getting somewhere. Finally came around the hydroboost. I made the new hole, put some seam sealer, painted that. That way there won't get no water in there, because I seen that there's no seal on this shit in the back of it. So yeah, let's put it on real quick. So you can see the seam sealer in there doing his job. Oh yeah. Let's figure this other shit out. See how it goes. hydroboost pedal is in. Booster is in. I just gotta run these lines. Put a little cap on that vacuum line back there and do the firewall, obviously. But I can finally do the damn firewall now that I have the pedal and the booster in, which it was easier to do it with the firewall cut out. So yeah, let's get it. Well, I had to take off the whole fucking door panel because of this wire right here. Because it was running through here, but through the front. I didn't know what the fuck it went to because I just cut that bitch off when I took it off. And so I took off the door panel. Come to find out, it don't go to shit. That's fucking save me a headache. Shit. Oh shit, it goes to something. Oh no, it don't. I just ripped it out. Fucking idiot. Well, that's one headache saved. Let's put the door panel back on. Because I had put that wire to a positive and negative because I thought it was for the mirrors or some shit. But yeah, good thing it wasn't. Quick little update. Making this shit for the fenders. I'm about to slap the tubs on. Because the fenders are about to get painted from the inside. But yeah. Hand cut. Sheesh. Big ass tub. It should be straight. Just hang on the firewall back there. I'm still gonna cut it real quick. But yeah, perfect. If you ask me. Time for paint. Precision cuts, baby. Right here, I'm gonna shape it down a little, tiny bit. Maybe. And this shit always gets clamped down. It'll be good to go. Oh yeah, here's the second tub. Looking pretty nice. Sheesh. Let's get it. All right, let's go. Nigga, it's going.
Come help! Come help, bro! We need help pushing!
Hey, it's going. ¿Ya le hizo o no? All right, I think it's good. Well, we got that bitch up there.
Get the fuck out of here.
Let's go.
We just back all of our happens.
We should. Damn it, boy. Ya mañana it'll be in the air.
Hell yeah! No,
Kiki! I barely cut through right there, but none of the cut that I did went through the actual frame. One thing I did do is make a little plate to put right here. Should look clean. Oh shit, almost dropped it. Something along the lines of this. Obviously, I'm gonna weld all that up. Looks pretty cool. Yeah, it's me. Needs an alignment, but the front end is done. Tubs got painted. I just gotta put all the little plastics and shit on there. Put the intake. Gotta mount that. It's done basically. Yeah, real life tuck. And here's the rim. All mocked up. I may point that differential up a little bit just in case. Keep in mind, this is my first time doing this shit. Don't mind that bag, it's all squished in there. It's not centered or nothing. Yeah, let's see how it goes. It may be at a good angle. Or maybe I'll point it up just a hair, just in case. It's adjustable anyways, which is good. Just waiting on the bar, well, brackets for the bar that goes from there to there on the bottom. Then I'm making the shock mount, which the top, if you wanted a Chevy logo, we'll make that. Gotta clean it up and all that shit. This is not sponsored by Red Bull. Here's what we got so far. The fuel stuff's gonna go here. Obviously this isn't tacked in. I still need to line it up. Tank back here. Little shock brackets. All of these mounts. Y'all believe that tack and that tack are holding the fucking differential? Yeah, they're both holding the differential. I may point it down a little bit because that's fully aired out, but on the 24s, it's not even gonna get that high. So I'm point the differential down a little bit, just a tiny, tiny hair. Cleaned up the frame as best of my abilities. I'm gonna cut that shit off. That's ready. I'm just waiting on a little bar that's gonna get made. I think I told y'all already. The bar that goes from here to there to center everything, and the bottom shock mount. We're ready to go. I'm about to start mounting everything, wiring everything, and then I'm gonna take everything back off and paint this motherfucker. We outside. Oh yeah. Don't mind these killer squares. My program fucked it up. But I'm gonna just use a drill bit and circle them out, so it'll be looking good. For the tank mounts, I ended up using rib nuts, but I want the tank to sit flush with the frame, so I'm gonna have to add some tabs down here so I can put the second nut. But yeah, it's gonna make it easy to remove and install if it ever needs to be taken off. That way I can take everything off and paint everything and then just bolt it right up. But I'm gonna make a little tab down here. I just gotta figure out exactly how I'm gonna do it. Oh, this is getting exciting now. Compressor's gonna go one here, one here. Fuel cell's gonna go in here. I may need to scoot this back a little bit, just a tiny bit to fit the fuel cell, but looking pretty legit in this if you ask me. Whenever I had the truck right there, it leaked out all the transmission fluid. Reason being is there's a little hole in there. It's happened to my 4-door, it's happened to Burro single cab, and we've had to seal that bitch off. You might be able to see the little hole in there. Kinda see it. Not really. But that should get sealed off and it ain't gonna leak anymore. Like right here, I sprayed a brake cleaner inside of here because I'm gonna clean all that shit up. And it all spilled it out. So let me seal that up real quick and let it dry. Should have no leaks. Brake cleaner, a stick, a rag. I'm trying to clean everything up out of in there. Trying to clean everything up out of in there. That doesn't sound right, but we're just gonna let it flow. And still can't see the little hole. But anyways, it's about to be gone. So I should have leaked it out, cleaned it up a little bit. You'll better see what I'm gonna fill it up with. Now you can see the little hole. I got it as clean as I could. There's that little residue that I couldn't get to. But let's get the solution ready. The mix ready. Hey. Let's protect the ends a little bit. This is the secret formula. You know what I'm saying? Mix, mix, mix. Watch me drop all this shit, bro. I'm just so pissed. Oh, I'm fucking jinx myself. Let me mix this shit up real quick. I ain't gonna lie, I had fucked up a little bit. I had got fucking, what's shit called again? JB weld all over the little ribs or whatever the fuck you wanna call them. But I cleaned all that shit off. Now the JB weld is just chilling in there at the bottom. Damn, that flash. You can kinda see it. There it goes. It is gonna start leaking through here pretty soon, and I'll show y'all once it gets down there on that little hole. There it goes. No, you're still, yeah, kinda. I'll show y'all where it comes out once it starts settling in. However the fuck I wanna say it. Crunch time. Gotta paint all that. I got the frame painted, so let's get it. I still gotta move that one, and I still gotta weld stuff on that one. So that's it. That's why I didn't paint it. We in the booth right now. Decent whole time. I can almost see my reflection. Time to get some black on these. I'm gonna let them dry up a little bit first. Give it a light pass with the wire wheel. Let me give it a heavy pass with the spray. Well, while the paint dries, I'm gonna fix all this wiring.
You like it too?
Better look real nice right now. Peekaboo, motherfucker! I just work here. I just put the shit back how it used to be. Because when I was taking it apart, all the wires broke. You can see them right there. They're breaking and shit. So hopefully all this shit works. Or I don't even know if it all worked. Oh shit. Maybe some new bulbs wouldn't hurt, but I ain't gonna do that. It's the next day and all the parts are dry, I believe. I am missing 3 links that I have to paint, but I have to weld some tabs on them before I paint them. So, meanwhile, let's put this bad boy together. Gonna weld that bitch up. We'll be ready. Putting in that overtime, baby. I may go ahead and paint this whole night. Let's find out if I do. I'm already doing my thing, so I might as well chop all this off and extend this motherfucker to reach about right there. Might as well have everything ready. Supposedly the fuel cell will be ready tomorrow. I really hope so, because we got like 4 days left to the show. I want to drive this whole at least 2 days. Like, a lot. Make sure everything's all right. I mean, everything should be all right. It has top of the line air management, top of the line bags. I can say top of the line work. Yeah, let's get it though. I might as well go ahead and do this. Just like on the previous video. Them baby dimes. I'm gonna have to redo the exhaust on this one too. But fuck it. That's some premium tubs and XXL tubs. Premium firewall, baby. It is. I told this nigga to cut this little piece, and he cut out the doghouse. What you gotta say about this?
Not a damn thing.
Hopefully this shit works like it's supposed to. Oh, they're killing them. Screwdriver. Yeah? Major shout out to my boy Big P. No supo qué decir, pero
No, on the delivery parts, I got you.
my boy, he drove from Arlington, Texas. That's like about 6 hours away from us, just to get those shocks for me. Here I am, wrapping up the lines on heat resistant tape. Then wrapping it up again to make it look pretty. Y'all let me know if I'm doing too much or if this is right of me to take preventative measures. Yes, I could have done fucking aluminum lines, but I ain't on that level yet. Just takes time. I'll end up on that level, but I'll probably still end up doing the same shit. Maybe. Who knows? Only time will tell. There we have it. It's gonna go down there. A lot of shit, but it's gonna get done. The wheels are finally going on. Oh shit, I almost fell. I just gotta zip tie all this shit. I'm gonna put some not cable ties. I'll show you here in a bit what I'm putting on that. Hey, sponsored. All right. I gotta move all that shit. That fell. That was a good reminder to tighten that shit up. Thank you. Anyways, we're about ready to go. Made it to the alignment shop. I almost said exhaust shop. Had to rig the tank on there since the fucking fuel cell ain't ready yet. Hopefully by today the fuel cell's done. That's what we're looking like so far. Needs a good wash. Still lays out more, just that it needs to get the exhaust done. That'll get done tomorrow. Getting detailed tomorrow. I just need to give it a good little wash, or a decent wash at least. The tank is just there temporarily. The fuel cell unfortunately didn't make it in time. It is what it is. I mean, what the fuck can I do? Exhaust tomorrow and it'll be able to lay out completely. Oh yeah, we're clear now. Sounds badass. I've been riding all down 7, barely touching the frame and shit. I'm about to finish it up. I just gotta wire up the fog lights, put the grill on. That's it. Just a reminder, the fuel cell will be done after the show. It didn't make it in time, unfortunately. Motherfucker chopping. day has come to put the fuel cell on. Let's get that little thing on there. Here's what I got so far. Baby dime's all in there. Otherwise, would it be complete if it didn't have no screws? Now that was just to hold the metal in place while I welded it. And I added the little bottom piece to the bracket for the bag, so it's not gonna be wobbly. Well, it wasn't wobbly, but I just didn't trust it with just the bottom bolts. Top bolts, my bad. Better paint this shit up and put it back together. You live and learn, man. That motherfucker was stuck. Talking about stuck. Fucked up. This whole little contraption right here was supposed to go under. And I was all excited and shit. I didn't realize. So, yeah. Then the tank, it was like tight. Me and my dad had fun taking this bitch out. But I'm doing a leak test on it again for like the third time. Well, the first 2 times were just to make sure everything was good. And this time is just like, just in case it fucked up when it got stuck or something. But it should be good. Let me sand all this shit down. Well, cut all this shit out. Then sand everything down so I can put it from under. It ain't happening twice. Alright, this is how this shit fucking goes. It was a pain, but got it done. Let me just weld it up real quick. It's all lined up. Let's get it. There it goes, all welded in. Welded it the best I could. Like right here, it came out decent. The paint makes it look ugly, okay? But I got some dimes here and there. Let's put that bitch in right now. By the way, yeah, magic. About to go home, pump some quick gas. You know what I mean?
Guys, I can see the fuel cell from here. Suscríbanse. Subscribe.